Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about logic gates. Today we will learn about the basic logic gates, which will be the AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. So we will learn today in detail about the AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. We need logic gates for data processing, signal processing, automation, which is used in robotics. So for this purpose we need to learn about logic gate. So first we'll learn about the AND gate. So how to draw the AND gate? AND gate, you have to first draw a semicircle like this, and then the two inputs and the output. We can name the input as A and B, and the output we can name it as F. Now we have to make a Boolean expression for AND gate. So AND gate is based on multiplication. So our Boolean expression will be F equals A dot B. And here down part you can see the truth table. This is the truth table and this will be the Boolean expression. These are our two inputs, which will be A, B, and F will be our output. So F equals A dot B. Dot means multiplication. AND gate is based on multiplication B. And this will be the truth table. So A, B, F. So first we will enter the inputs and then the output. So how here there are 4 digits. So how to identify how many digits to enter is take 2 and then there are 2 inputs. As there are 2 inputs, write here 2. If there are 3 inputs, you are writing here as 3. So 2 to the power 2 equals to 4. So there are 4 digits. First you have to enter the input A, B, F, and 0 is off and 1 will be on. A is 0, B is 0, then output will be 0 in AND logic gate truth table. If A is 0, B is 1, still it will remain 0. If A is 1, B is 0, still it will remain 0. And A is 1, B is 1, it will come as 1 output. Why here it came as 1 and here 0 is, here you have 1 in A and B also 1. But here you have A1 and B0, therefore 0. In AND logic gate, you have to understand the truth table. All the input should have 1 to get the output as 1. If A they are having 1, now see here, A is having 1 but B is 0, still it's 0. Now let's see how to draw the AND gate when there are 3 inputs. Draw the 3 inputs and the output. So this will be the 3 inputs and this one will be the output. We can name the input as A, B, C and the output as F. So I have given that also as an example. Now let's learn about OR gate. First let's see how to draw the OR gate. This is the shape of the OR gate, like a moon shape, and the 2 inputs. These are the 2 inputs. This will be the output. So these are the 2 inputs and this will be the output. In here also we have 2 inputs and 1 output. A, will name the input as A, B and output as F. Now let's see the Boolean expression. So Boolean expression of OR gate is F equals A plus B. Now try to recall the Boolean expression of AND gate. That was F equals A dot B. Boolean expression of OR gate is based on addition. F equals A plus B. This is the truth table of OR gate. Okay, in truth table, first enter A, B, F, and then the A. Fill the A column 0, 0, 1, 1, and the B column 0, 1, 0, 1. And now we'll try to sort out the output. When A is 0 and B is 0, it will be as 0. But when A is 0 and B is 1, now one input has having 0 and one is having 1, then the output will be 1. So the special feature of OR gate, if either one of the input is having 1, the output will be 1. It's addition. This is based Boolean expression addition. And here A is 1 and B is 0, then it will be as again 1. So F is based on A plus B. Here A is 1, B is 0. Still it will be as 1. And both are having 1s. Now A is having 1, B is also having 1. Then F will also have 1. So in OR gate, if either one of the input is having 1, the output can be taken as 1, and both all the inputs are having 1, then also output can be taken as 1. In OR gate, you have to remember how to draw the OR gate, the Boolean expression, and the truth table. Now let's see about NOT gate. First you have to draw a triangle, something like this, the shape, and then a circle in front of the triangle, and the output, this is the output, and then the input. So this is the input and this will be the output of the NOT gate. So we can name the input as A and the output as F. One input and one output. So this will be the Boolean expression F equals A complement, or you can say it as A bar. F equals A bar or A complement, which means it will be the opposite of the input. This will be the truth table of the NOT gate. 1, 2 to the power 1 equals 2, so 2 numbers. So we can name that as the input A and the output F in the truth table of NOT gate, and then A 0 1, and I told opposite A complement, which means opposite of the input. Opposite of 0, it will be 1, output will be 1. Opposite, the input we entered 1, then output will be 0. Opposite of 1, 0. So something based on that will be the NOT gate. So in NOT gate, you have to know to draw the NOT gate, the Boolean expression, and the truth table. So in this video, we learned how to draw the logic gate, we learned how to draw the AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, as well as we learned the Boolean expression, Boolean function for AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, and the truth table. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe and like and share among your friends. Thank you.